Problem number 48 on Rangegutta fourth order method. Already we have solved one problem. Now we are solving this problem. So here this is dx by dt, that is function of x comma t here. In place of x comma y they have given x comma t. So 4t plus 4. You can convert this into x comma y also if you want. If x equal to x naught at t equal to 0. So they have given some condition t equal to 0. That means t naught equal to 0 initial condition. And increment in x, they want increment value, that means k value only. They don't want any other value, they want only k value by using Rangegutta fourth order method, and step size is 0.2. So y1 is equal to y0 plus k, but we don't want this y0 and y1, we want only k. How will you find k? K is equal to k1 plus k2 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4 by 6, as you people know. Then find out k1. K1 is equal to h into f of x naught comma y naught. So h into f of x naught comma y naught, h is how much? H is here x naught comma t naught this time. So h is how much? 0.2, that is delta t they are saying. F of x naught is how much? X naught, no need of x naught because in function we don't have any x naught, that's why they have not given any value for x naught. So here there is only t, so no need of finding x naught, only t. So function of x naught comma t, what is the value of t? Is 0. So 0.2 into 4, I am getting it as 0.8. Then k2 same, h into f of x naught, h into f of x naught plus h by 2. X naught we don't know, no need of x naught actually, so I will keep like that only. But y naught is 0, that is t naught is 0 plus k1 by 2, that is 0.4. so substitute 0.2 into 4 into 0.4 plus 4. Then what I am going to get? I am getting k2 as 0.88. 0.88. Okay, similarly solve k3 also. I am getting it as 0. Hope you are understanding. So I am getting it as 0.88. Then k4 I am getting it as 0.96. Upon solving k1 plus 2k2 plus k3 for 2k3 plus k4 by 6, I am getting the complete value of k as 0.88. Okay, so the value I have to substitute in the blank is 0.88. Then finally 49th question on Rangegutta fourth order. You people, I'll just give it for practice, you people solve it. So x is 0.2. Given that dy by dx, they have given function, they have given initial condition also. X naught is 0, y naught is 1. Then step height also they have given. Apply Rangegutta first order method to find the value of y when 0.2. That means y of 0.2 they want. Here already step height is 0.2, that means only one iteration. So the value answer I will just give it to you. So I will give answers for 49th question. K1 value for 49th question is 0.2 and K2 value for 49th question is 0.24. Likewise K3 value is 0.244. K4 value is 0.288. So K value is 0. K value is 0.2428. Okay, then finally y1 value is 1.2428 because y naught is 1, no, that's why y naught value is 1, that's why it will become 1.2428. Okay, if you get any doubts you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.